right, you guys, another angel on the go first. Look what we found. These are the Taco Bell Fire tortilla chips. Never a dull moment. Look at this. And the bag is full. It went from $1.38 to 35 cents. And this one is the mild tortilla chips. You made my day. Taco Bell, you guys, Taco Bell. Let me give you the ounces. 3.5 ounce. Okay, so for the mild, the UPC is this. And for the fire, there's the UPC. And you guys, they're only 35 cents. You guys gotta run to Walmart. This is another angel on the go first. And we're gonna grab these for our kids. Again, 35 cents. Look at this, another angel on the go first. Look at how big this Hershey's Mr. Goodbar is. This is the chocolate with the peanuts. This is so good. Again, this is the king size. This is how big it is, 2.6 ounce. Let me show you the UPC. Look, you guys, 35 cents. 35 cents for Mr. Goodbar. There's also these down here, which are the Rolos. You guys, I had a craving the other night for Rolos, and I told my husband, let's get some Rolos. And he said, we gotta wait for a sale. So today is the sale. Again, this is the regular pack of the Rolos. And these are not expired. That's the most important thing. You guys gotta check the expiration dates. Look at how much these are. 20 cents. 20 cents, you guys. Another angel on the go first. Look at this. They have a ton of these. And we are gonna grab these. We're also gonna grab these right here. We're gonna grab the chips because we have Halloween coming up. These will be great things to give out for Halloween. The kids will love a full-size candy bar, and it's only 20 cents. All right, you guys, look, I just showed my husband the Rolos. Look at, and you're dropping them. The Rolos are only 20 cents. His eyeballs almost fell out his head.
You cannot get Rolos for 20 cents. This is one of the most amazing candies you will ever find.
And you guys, we're going down each aisle where the checkout is. So we're in the checkout section, in case you guys want to know. We're in the checkout, and they got a ton of clearance. So again, the kids on Halloween in our neighborhood gonna be very happy because we're gonna be giving out this candy. So far we got the Mr. Goodbar for 35 cents. We have the Rolos for 20 cents. We have the chips for my kids for 35 cents. And let me show you what else I found. They had the caramel jumbo something for 35, but we're gonna check another aisle. But look at this, $1.35 for these. These are so good, you guys. And then this Hershey's cookies and cream dip pretzels. Look at that. I haven't tried these before, but I think I'm gonna try them. There's the UPC. And this is only 70 cents, you guys. Let us know if you scored. We're gonna be checking to see if there's any more snacks or candy we can find. Whew, you guys, I am out of breath. This is what we got from the couple of registers that we went to in the front. Is this enough candy and chips?
I think you went crazy yet again.
You guys, everyone that comes over our house this year for Halloween is going to get candy. And they're going to get full-size candies. Look at this, you guys. Look at how many Rolos we got. How many did we get? Can you show them?
I have no idea.
Look, just pick them up. Just pick up the packages.
What we got?
Look at that. There's one box, two boxes, you guys. Look at this.
Three.
We got three. So we got two boxes down here. Three boxes now. We got three boxes here. We got one box here, one box here. Most of these boxes are full. We're going to go ahead and show you again. These are the Rolos, and this is just the regular size. And there is the UPC. So if you guys want to take a screenshot, I hope this doesn't melt in our car before we get home because we are in Florida and it is hot out here. All right, let's see what else we got. We got these Stroop waffles. What is it? Stroop
waffles.
Waffles? Wafers? Waffles?
Oh, it says wafers, waffles.
We know that we're pronouncing this wrong. But this is It says soft toasted waffles filled with caramel, cinnamon, and vanilla.
That sounds good.
It sounds really good right now. This sounds good with one of those Starbucks drinks. All right, so we got this. It comes with 2. And let me show you guys the UPC. These, we took the tag, you guys. These are only 35 cents. It went from $1.18 to 35 cents. Again, let me show you the UPC. There you guys go. And we've never tried these before, but we're gonna try them now only because they're 35 cents.
I guarantee it's good.
And we super cheap. All right, let me put that over there. All right, the next one is a kid's favorite. I used to eat these all the time. These are the Nerds. And these are my favorite too, the grape and strawberry. I don't know if I'm gonna eat them now, but whoever comes over our house for Halloween, trick or treat, trick or treat. So we have the Nerds. This is the 1.65 ounce. It has 60 calories. And again, this has the grape and strawberry. Let me show you the UPC. And these are only 25 cents. Do you have your phone so we can scan? We always like to scan just to show you guys the prices. So we're gonna scan these Nerds because I didn't take the tag off the Nerds. All right, it's super hot out here, but we had to come outside because the music inside Walmart was way too loud. Okay, look at this, you guys. I hope you guys can see. 25 cents. You cannot beat that price. All right, I am out of breath, but you guys, I'm out of breath for you guys, so you guys can also get these candies. If you guys love candy, go to Walmart. Look at this. This is one of the greatest candies, Mr. Goodbar. I love this king size, you guys. I love chocolate. I love peanuts, so this is perfect. This might not make it to Halloween. Just this, you guys. The kids can have the Rolos and the other things, but I want the Mr. Goodbar.
Yeah, that's my Rolo.
We actually got, oh, it's heavy, 2 boxes of Mr. Goodbar. So that's what it looks like. And again, don't look at the regular size. The king size is on sale. This is 2.6 ounce, 130 calories. There's the UPC. And let me just show you guys. 10, 20, 20. So this is coming up soon.
Yeah, Halloween. You gotta eat it before then.
Okay, you guys, I gotta eat this. These are the only ones that are actually coming up, expired 10, 20, 20. The other ones, let me show you the Rolos. All right, this one, Best Buy. It looks like March 2021. So we got time for this one. What else did we get? All right, look at this, you guys. My daughter loves dark chocolate. She's the only one in the house that eats dark chocolate, so we just got her a few. Or trick-or-treaters. This is Hershey Special Dark. And this is the mild sweet chocolate. Again, king size, you guys. And let me show you the UPC. And you guys can see the expiration date, February of 2021. So you guys got time. And, oh, you sweating? You better hurry up for this candy melt.
About to pass out here.
Okay, it's kind of hard to see. Okay, 35 cents for a king size, you guys. Look at that. I'm gonna show you guys the UPC again. All right, my husband loves beef jerky. I hate it, but he loves it. So this is the Jack's Links bars, made with 100% chicken. What kind is this?
It's a chicken, a rotisserie chicken.
Oh, there it is right there. Well, it's gluten-free, so is that good for you?
I don't care.
All right, you guys, my husband loves beef jerky. He's gonna try these. Let me show you. It has 70 calories. There's the UPC. And he's gonna scan this for you. All right, you ready? Okay, your phone is dark.
No, it's the sunlight, that's all.
Yeah, it's the sun, you guys. Okay, we're gonna scan it. All right. There you guys go. Look at that. Jack's Links chicken. They call it a meat bar. This is 35 cents. 35 cents.
That's normally $1.50 a piece.
Yeah, so we're gonna get a box of those. What else did we get? All right, so again, we got the Hershey's cookies and cream dip pretzels. We only got one because we're gonna try this in the car. If they good, we're gonna run back in here and grab all of them. These are only 70 cents. 70 cents. So we always do movie night, and these will be perfect for movie night.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, popcorn and Hershey's cookies and cream. Let us know if you tasted these before. Let us know in the comments. Hot?
Burn.
All right, so again, this is the cookies and cream, and there's the UPC, and you guys can see the Best By date. There you guys go. These are only 70 cents, and I'm gonna show you the chips again. These are Taco Bell, right? Yeah, Taco Bell, and this is the new Mile tortilla chips. We always eat tortilla chips, so this is perfect. This one says you made my day. So you're gonna be looking for the bright orange bags and also the red ones. Here's the UPC. And you guys, again, 35 cents. 35 cents, only on Angel on the Go. Okay, and we got the Taco Bell Fire. That's what you feel like, right? It's burning out here.
Catch on fire, yeah.
Fire, you guys. So I haven't tasted these, but hopefully they're hot. It says never a dull moment. There's the ounces.
That was a corny joke. I caught it.
What?
The fire.
Yeah, fire. It's hot out here. All right, there's the UPC. And these are 35 cents. So you guys, we got all this candy. We got the chips for the house. We got all the candy except for the Mr. Goodbar, that's mine. But we got all this candy for all the trick-or-treaters that come to Angel on the Go's house this Halloween. So we're done with our trick-or-treat candy.
Yeah.
You ready to check out?
I don't know if the roll is gonna make it, but yeah, let's go. I'm ready.
All right, yeah, we got to get this back inside in our car before it starts melting because we're in hot Florida. Thank you guys for watching. This has been another Angel on the Go video. Make sure you guys let us know if you're able to score on these 20-cent candy, 35-cent candy, 35-cent chips. And we'll see you on the next video. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and click on that notification bell.